So this is the video how to put the wheel back in. Let me show you there. I haven't shown how to repair a puncture. Hopefully you'll see some others over there. But anyway, still in 8. Make sure you don't touch the back gear lever. The belt's still on, cable's loose. So let's see if I can do it one-handed. Hopefully you can hear as well. So what I'm going to do is put the cable just roughly on there. The gates belt, sorry. I'm going to take it apart again and clean it in a little while. So slide the wheel underneath here. I'm going to put the rear cable, the rear gear adjusting cable, that's going to go in to the slot. Push it in to the guide. That's in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that gear around so that I can get that in the locating holder there, and then move that, the nut, get that back in there. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that goes in there, that goes in there. So that's, the nut has gone in first, and then make sure the cable goes underneath that little lip there so that it's secured in. That is fully pushed home, so that's nice and secure now. Remember, when you take these off, on both sides, make sure that you've got the washers on the right side. So these blue washers should be on the outside, just on those black parts there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the belt on loosely on the front and also on the back. So there we go. So it's loosely on the front and the back. Now I'm going to connect the disc. So it's not going fully home. Ah, there we go. That was it. So all I did was just turn the belt round, and then you can see now that, so I've got correct on this side, the blue washer is out, and the wheel has gone fully home up to there. It's gone fully home up to there. So now it's a matter of just making sure there's little indents on these washers. When you tighten them up, make sure they're fully home. So you can see there's just a little indent there. Make sure that is where it's supposed to be. Tighten the wheels up loosely. Make sure the wheel's fully home. I don't know if you can see there, but should be right up there. Then tighten that up. If you've got access to a torque wrench, make sure that you do them up fully. As with any kind of DIY, if you're not competent or you're not qualified, make sure you get someone to show you who is. Hopefully that will get you out of a puncture repair and get you back on the road. Let's hope that doesn't happen too often. Look forward to your likes and comments, and I hope that's helped you. Thanks.